Many people messed up with very simple algebraic expression. Right here, we have 5 to the power of 2 minus 50 divided by 5 multiplied by 10. Many people have this 5 to the power of 2 minus 50 divided by 5 multiplied by 10. Here, they consider this first. We have 5 to the power of 2 that gives 25 minus 50 divided by 5 multiplied by 10. Then next they consider this subtraction here. 25 minus 50, that will give minus 25 divided by 5 multiplied by 10. Then next they consider this division here. Minus 25 divided by 5, that gives minus 5 divided by 10 multiplied by 10. Then lastly they consider multiplication. Minus 5 multiplied by 10, that gives minus 50. But this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach here is completely wrong. Don't make this mistake again. Now to get this right, you are going to have this 5 to the power of 2 minus 50 divided by 5 multiplied by 10. When right here, we are going to follow this order of operation called PEMDAS. We have this. Here, multiplication and division have the same precedence. Addition and subtraction have the same precedence. Therefore, following this order of operation here, first of all, we are going to consider exponent first because there's no parentheses. We are going to consider this. We simplify this 5 to the power of 2, that gives us 25 minus 50 divided by 5 multiplied by 10. Then next we are going to consider division, and here multiplication and division have the same precedence. Then as such, but we are going to move the operation from left to the right. We consider the one that comes first. Therefore, we are going to consider this division first, and the expression becomes 25 minus 50 divided by 5, that gives us 10, then multiply by 10. And again, next we consider multiplication now, and we are going to have here 25 minus 10 times 10, that gives 100. And lastly, we consider subtraction. Now 25 minus 100, that will give us minus 75. And this is the correct answer to this algebraic expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.